Let's learn our letters, come and play. Hear the sounds they love to say. It says apple red. B says ball right. C says kick right. D says go line. E says that's right. B says fish twice. G says go night. H says that's right. Y says inside. J says you slide. K says kite lie. L says la 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 la. N says mango I. N says mess die. O says orange dried. P says